shoes dirty.
Fun Factory! Guys, welcome back to our channel. I just got out of my hip-hop class
Hip-hop?
at dance.
Oh my
And
goodness.
I just needed some strawberries.
You're right beside me. Yes.
Well,
We need milk too, don't we?
Yes.
Okay.
Because I ate cereal today, Fruit Loop cereal.
You eat
and
cereal
I-
every day.
Oh.
Okay, let's go find the milk. Let's go.
We need milk.
Still haven't found the milk yet, girl.
No.
I thought you knew where it was.
Let's go this way.
This is organic.
Oh, look.
What? Oh, you have enough candy. We have
Can
the
we
candy
get it?
video we have to make.
But can we get it?
No.
We couldn't.
It's so close to
We
bedtime.
couldn't touch it. We could pick up one of these and get it. That's what we have to
That's
do.
what you're supposed to do. Let's look it
Gummy
over.
bears.
I didn't realize what it was. Let's move our buggy out of the way, girl. Look at all this
I
candy
just wanted to
and
look
nuts
on-
and chocolate. This girl is on a mission. She's running. Oh, we're supposed to get some cereal, aren't we? What are you searching for? Oh, Detective Reese. What is that? Oh, it's Lucky Charms. You want to try Fruity Pebbles? There's a Captain Crunch.
I kind of want Fruity Petals.
Try a Fruity How do you say it again?
Fruity Petals.
Petals. How about a Fruit Loops?
Fruit Loops.
Crave is your favorite. Though. Hey, get one of those for mommy.
One of these.
Yes. There you go.
There you
Okay. Anything else?
We need some milk.
Oh, definitely. Okay.
Let's
Find
go.
it. I think it's to the left. You know which way's left?
This way.
Good job. Awesome. Oh, we've already got Halloween kind. I have no idea what Swedish fish
Halloween.
Oreos
It's
are. No, we have 2 things of Oreos. Ooh, pumpkin spice. Regular. Exciting.
Let's go.
Let's go find the milk. Get the
Chocolate.
We have chocolate syrup.
I know.
We have it.
I know.
We never even use it, do we?
No.
Oh, we need to go get some cat food.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do. Potato.
Let's go. Yeah.
Let's see. Okay, Fancy Feast. Where are you?
Here we
Did we
are.
find the kind we're looking for?
Yes. This is a cute one. And I got one can for our cats.
Yeah.
Woo.
Chicken is the kind
Tatum likes.
that she likes the best. And yes.
She likes
There's all the
chicken.
baby
She
stuff.
likes chicken like
Uh-huh.
real
Oh, here's some more
people.
chicken right there. Yeah, those are chicken too, I think.
These?
Yeah.
Yeah,
All
let's
of
get
those.
these.
Yes. That is enough, I believe.
Wait. Can't forget this.
Okay, get one of them.
Let's get 3 then.
No, let's just get 2.
Okay, let's get 2 instead.
Do you like getting
Let's
groceries?
Go.
Is it fun?
Hey.
We still
I
haven't
think
got the
we need
milk.
some-
Oh my goodness. Some stuff for our turtle.
They're
I see.
For guinea pigs.
Granny pigs?
Yeah, those are guinea pigs.
Uh-huh.
And Princess Ella has guinea pigs.
Granny pigs. Oh my
Yeah,
goodness.
guinea
I love how you call them granny pigs. Okay, you ready to go find the milk?
No, not us.
Mini pop? Okay.
Okay.
Milk, what else
let's
is on our list? Oh my goodness. I'm going to have to make you a list the next time.
go. Milk. It is the milk.
I think that's about all I needed, right? Let's
Which
go
way
find
is
it.
the milk?
Let's go back to the freezer section, right? We need to get back to the cold
Yes.
section. Okay, turn around. And then
This
go straight down that aisle. Yes. Or whichever one you want to go.
Let's get down
Okay.
this aisle. Whoa. Look.
Those are
Find
cool.
the door.
We have-
Shopkins. Shopkins.
Oh my goodness. If we didn't have so many plates already, I would get you one because they're on sale.
Minions. Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol. Okay, little gal. You ready to go find the milk?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. What if I push this little buggy? Oh, it's so small for me.
Well, I have to push it because I'm littler.
You're littler than me? It's perfect for you. Wait till you get to the end of the aisle. Someone could hit you. Slow down, sis. We're getting close to the milk. I see the eggs. Play-Doh girl is obsessed with how she found it. No. Oh my goodness. Hey, that's gonna hurt stuff, sis.
Let's go.
She's obsessed with it. Thought I could get away with her not seeing it. Do we need any orange shoes? Slow down, sis. She's wild. Wild girl. I think we've reached the milk finally. Keep going, keep going. It's organic. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness, here is the milk. Let's get 2%. This blue one right here. There we go. Get one of those with the latest date, okay? You can't read that, so you don't know. See, I'm learning. One of them. Yep. Oh, can you get it? Oh, don't drop it. Be very careful. Oh, do you need a help? Can you drop it? You have to be very careful when you put it in the buggy. Don't drop it.
Move everything.
Oh, Mama helps. Uh-oh. Yeah.
There we go.
Good girl.
Let's get out of here.
Get out of here now. Oh my goodness, we're in the fall stuff. Oh, how exciting. It's our favorite time of year. What's a close tie to Christmas, isn't it?
Look.
That is cool.
Look.
Play-Doh girl. That's Play-Doh. Play-Doh. The bags for 99 cents. Oh my goodness. So cute. Squishy, squishy. We gotta get our fall decorations up soon, don't we? Fall candles. Oh my goodness. I am so thankful that we live somewhere where we get beautiful fall leaves.
Look at that. A mom and a dad and a kid.
I saw the dog. Okay, let's go see what else we can find. She's checking out the costumes. She loves dressing up. What do you see? What is it? I'm afraid to look. Oh, skeleton. Oh, it's just your height, too. Oh, creepy. Hello. Look behind you. Hey, that's cool.
Whoa. Let's get both of them.
No.
Let's just get
Wait
this
a
one.
minute. I like the other one better. We can make a video on it.
Yeah, let's
you
get
make
both of them. I
don't know about that. No, I don't want to do two of them. We'll see. I'll make up my mind in just a second. We still have to get Lunchables. I forgot about Lunchables.
Why do we have to get them?
I
We have to get them for Princess Ella.
You're a kid, and you think that that's the sweetest, right? All the Halloween candy. You do not need candy. You're addicted to candy.
I have tons of.
What? It's the same thing, silly girl. I like this other one better. Okay. We've got to get out of here. We've got to get home, don't we?
Let's get that costume.
I like this gingerbread house better. I think I'm going to switch it, guys.
Ready? Watch this.
Oh, you showing us some dance moves? Okay, go show me some. Okay, do some of the things you've learned today.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's move that.
Okay. Now do some of the things I saw you do that looked really good. Oh. Wow. Do the move you just showed me a minute ago. It's one of those called a plie, jeté. I have no idea what they mean. Do your tap, tap, tap. Do you tap your foot? And then you jump? Oh, good job.
Ready for this?
Okay. Whoa. You're breaking it down, aren't you? Okay, silly goose.
Oh, looky here.
Oh, yes.
Scary.
So cool. Oh, goodness. I've got Christmas lights out
The
now.
vision.
Bags.
Whoa.
Okay, Play-Doh girl. We got to get out of here.
What is
We were supposed to have been in here just a few minutes. And as always, we've been in here forever. doing? You are just browsing everything. You got to get out of here. This child is obsessed with toys of all kinds. What is that? Slime? Is that his name? I've not watched the new one. It's pretty cool,
I think
isn't it?
there is a difference.
I'm gonna leave. Come on, girl. Come
Hey,
on.
where's that right? Get out of here.
Cotton candy, pumpkin cotton candy.
Get out of
I
here.
think she's supposed to go get. Come back here. She's found the toys. You can't get this child to come back.
Let's
A
get
really
out.
quick trip down the toy aisle.
Whoa, there
Look, American
it is.
Girl. Look how cool.
There it is.
Do you see that?
Look, there it is. There it is. There it is.
Oh, construction.
Whoa, that's cool.
Oh, that's cool.
It's American the Girl dolls with the
Mhm.
Lego.
There are so many cool toys out.
Whoa, here they are again.
Oh yeah, we made a video on that. Yeah,
Look,
that's our dog.
here she is. No, she's
Actually,
little.
she's not. We've got Wonder Woman and Batgirl like that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
Well, there's that girl.
Yep, we've got her. Okay, little lady, we gotta get out of the store.
I know.
We've got people waiting on us.
Yeah. We got one. We got brother.
We got several people waiting on us in the car.
Whoa.
These are cool too, aren't they? Oh. Well, I don't know if you can get it. It's too close to your birthday. No. Oh, there you go. There's some stuff to shop with.
This is what I have.
No, you do not want all them. You wouldn't play with them once you got home. They're
Hey,
awesome, but
At least can I have lippy lips?
you can hold on to it for a minute.
Can I
Until we get Lunchables. No, we're not taking that home, sister.
Fine.
Thank you for accepting that.
Whoa,
Look,
look
we have
at-
wet head. We've got to make
we
wet head
already
videos,
got
don't
wet
we? We've got it, don't we?
head.
Oh, that's what you were
Can we
screaming
please
over.
get it?
Oh my gosh,
Can we
yes!
Yay!
Yes, you can get it. I've never seen a Halloween Barbie.
Ooh,
She's getting dressed up for
cute.
the Halloween party.
Hey,
Awesome.
can we get one of these?
No, those little things you've got a
Hey.
million of. Oh, that's Secret Life of Pets, isn't it?
Hey, look right here. We haven't seen that side, but
Okay,
let's go.
we have to get out of here. Let's go. I'm gonna give us 2 minutes to get out of the store. Come on. We're back on track. We're back to where we need to be. The Lunchables are to the left. Go to the left again. Keep going. Keep going. Don't hit your head. Go on, girl. Lie down. Where are they at?
Learning young, ain't you?
Yes. Over here, I think. This way, over here, baby. Let's see. I bet they're down here at the end. Yes. Watch out, don't get hit. Here they are. Okay, I think we're supposed to get ham.
Ham.
That is
ham,
turkey.
Ham.
You're so silly.
Ham.
Nope, I'm not seeing it. I don't see a ham. I don't see one at all. They must be sold out. We found them. This is the kind with the drink. Yes.
Give it to me.
Give it to you. All right. 3 of these, I think. Oh, we're supposed to pick up. Uh-oh. I think there's only 2. That's it. Got all the
Why
things
did
that
she
everybody-
only want 2?
I don't know. We're ready to go now.
I can't Barbie.
Got a buggy
Let's
full.
look at the
And I
back of it.
decided to let her get
Whoa.
this one. That is so cool. Remember that awesome Halloween Barbie book we have? We've not
Yeah.
got it out yet. You want to try this ham? Let's get this ham. Yeah, one more. There you go.
Can we? Yeah.
Okay. We need to go check out, don't we?
Let's get one for me.
One for you, okay.
That's one for me. Let's get this one.
Okay. I wish you would take it to
Now
preschool. Will you
let's
take
get
one?
it.
Okay.
I will take it.
Okay. Let's go, girl.
We'll put that right there. We'll put all our Lunchables right there. And
All of our
stuff
Lunchables
right
right there.
there. Okay, let's go pay. That right.
Let's go. She has way too much energy. We are finally going to check out. You're too cute, you know that. Look at your stickers. I have to help you walk out to the car. Watch out. Yes, the best.
Bumpy, yeah.
Be careful. All right, guys, that's it for today.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Until next time.